Today's announcement is a further backing of the frame and truss sector here in Australia. It's an investment for our people, and most importantly, it's an investment for our customers and our partners. I'm very proud today to announce that MiTek here in Dandenong South are doubling the size of our manufacturing footprint. We will increase our posi production by 100%. We'll increase our production of stamping product by 35%. This will enable us to look after our customers long into the future as we build a state-of-the-art facility that will not only manufacture our nail plates and hangers, but also manufacture automation equipment right here in Melbourne. We'll also be building an experience centre where we can actually bring our customers on site to experience firsthand our automation equipment, the use of our leading software product Sapphire, and as well creating a safer site for employees and visitors. A great day here today at MiTek.